Welcome to this course of Checkpoint Management Server R81 HA configuration. Just to brief you, it will be a step-by-step lab demo for the high availability configuration for the Checkpoint R81 Management Server. The labs will be done on PNET environment. About taking this course, I would suggest that you take the course section by section from start to finish. Turn on the captions as it will be manually edited and almost 100% accurate. I'd request you to provide a rating and a written review so that it can help me to improve. At some point of time when you complete a certain percentage of your course, you will get an option to leave a rating. You can rate the course accordingly, provide your feedback. And last but not the least, help me share this course within your group and help your friends as well to achieve some knowledge about Checkpoint Management Server high availability configuration. Thank you. Let us jump into the course.